Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so once you have put on all of your beads, this is what it's going to look like, all 26 of them. And like I said, I did them in all parts. I did them color coded. So you have brown, you have one color, another color, another color. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start bending our wire and shaping it just like this. And we're just going to go around just like this. You keep going until you get pretty much this type of shape. Okay, this is the shape that you are going to have. Now, I want to tell you that even though it's a lot of wood beads, these earrings are pretty light, okay? They are not heavy at all. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come down to the bottom. You're going to bring this piece down to the bottom right between these two right here. And you're going to wrap. You're going to place it just like that, and you're going to wrap it. Let me push this up and then wrap it around. Just like that. Let me push this up. Okay. And then you're going to bring it back around again. Don't worry about it. It's going to be a little ugly. You're going to go in and you're going to make your adjustment. You got to make sure you just push this piece up. Okay, so you can wrap it just like that. And you really only have to wrap it one time. Okay. Once you wrap it, then you want to take your wire cutters and snip and go in and snip off this little extra just like that, and take your flat round nose pliers and just squeeze that in. And this is pretty much how your earring is going to look. Now basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going in to adjust it to how I want it to be. Okay. Now you want to have this part of your earring going to the side, and this part of your earring you want it to be this way. So you're going to have to go in and make an adjustment. So your earring will be like this up at the top and like this down the bottom. Okay. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take one of your coil shells. You're going to open up your jump ring, and you're going to place your jump ring inside your coil shell, just like this. And you're going to add this down to the bottom of your earring. Actually, you know what? I told y'all wrong. It's going to go, both of these are going to go, no, that's correct. Wait a minute. Let me slow down because I've been moving too fast, y'all. No, actually, yeah, you're going to have, both of them are going to have to be to the side. So let me go back in. And you're going to turn it this way. So you want both of them to be facing this way, okay? You're going to take your jump ring, put it on your shell, and then just slide that on the end of that and close it up. And that's going to be down the bottom of your earring, and it's going to hang just like that. Okay, now what you're going to do for the top part is you're going to take your wire and bend it just like this. Okay, until you get that, and you're going to take and slide this through, push it through, and it's going to be to the side. Now you're going to take your round nose pliers. I don't know why I keep saying flat nose pliers. Your round nose pliers, and you're going to twist it twice. So that's 1 time, 2 times, okay? Twist it twice. You're going to take your coral shell and place that in between, just like this. Okay. Bring it up, holding it as tight as you can get it. You're going to take your back piece, bring it forward, and start wrapping around your front piece. You can do it as many times as you see fit for your earring. So that's twice. I'm going to just do this 3 times. Just like that. And this is what you're going to have. Okay. Now, I am going to snip off this extra piece right here. So I'm going to snip that off with my wire cutters. Just like that. Okay. And then last but not least, I am going to make a loop up at the top. So I'm going to bring that over and then just make a loop. Just like this. Give it a little indentation. Take my round nose pliers, place it over top, and wrap it around my earring. I'm only going to do it once. Just making a complete wrap. Okay. And then I'm going to cut off this extra piece right here. Okay, just like that. All right, and the very last thing that I'm going to do is add on my fish hook. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to add my fish hook on. Okay, close it. Excuse me, y'all. And so here is your earring. This is your gorgeous design. And like I said, ladies and gentlemen, these are not heavy at all. This is something different. You will not see this design in a store because you created it. And no one else will have these. And just, you know, make your little adjustment. Make your adjustment where you see fit for your earring to make sure that they are pretty much made the same exact way. So, with that being said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share. And I want to thank those of you who have decided to be on this journey with me. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, please hit the bell on the side. Make sure you hit all so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.